Okay, last video on the camper restoration. I've got it about where I want it to be, so let's take a look inside. All right, this was the restoration project. That's what it looks like now. That bed in there, a couple shelves. That board I cut today that I posted a little video on, where the coffee holder's there. I've got my refrigerator and my AC unit. Refrigerator's packed, it's ready to go, so everything's under control there. And let me back up here. That's the other end. I got my desk down there and bookshelf above there, and that's about it. Anyway, hope you got a little something out of the videos. If you did, hit the like and subscribe. That'd be great. Have a good day.